Hello guys, I gonna show you how to install Pokemon Go hack. First thing, I have to Pokemon Go. This is the hack, and this is the um, um, the usual one. I installed the hack from Tuto app. You can install it from Safari. Okay, like this. See. Tuto app. Search about Tuto app, and then click regular. Just to be all the things free. Here, Pokemon Go, all the things. Download now. No, not that. Wait a minute. I'm gonna search again because the internet is too bad. Here you are. I'm iOS, so I must click iOS. If Android, click Android, okay? Click download now. He will tell you install in settings, like this. Install. So after you click on install, you will find it here, and then make it in settings here, general, device here. You'll find Pokemon Go and Tuto Helper. You make trust and then open it. Okay, so I don't need it because I have it. And then you open it. You will find Pokemon Go hack. You'll find it. It's like the joystick, but it's more cute. Okay. And after I will open and then show you what it's inside. Only just we can wait because see that one. This is joystick, and I'm playing in China. You must play in China because Tuto app is an app from China. See, when you open, you will find that things. I'm level 17. See? Not now. This is the hack. I brought all that Pokemon from the hack. On like this. So you uninstall it from Tuto app and then subscribe me